Pot of Gold. Gates open, they're up and racing. Fiery Princess moving up, Harrod's Magic. Then in between runners is Famous Girl running on the outside, Cat May. Bagong Silang is by the rail, so gorgeous in between runners, Pot of Gold. Then comes entry number 6, New Golden City Runner, that's number 8. As they head towards the last 800, Harrod's Magic leading the field by about 5 lengths, followed by Famous Girl. And moving up on the outside is Fiery Princess, Pot of Gold. Bagong Silang is by the rail, so gorgeous. Heading towards the last 450, Harrod's Magic just in front, maintaining 3 lengths lead. Fiery Princess is slowly but surely now getting closer on the outside. Harrod's Magic leading the field. Fiery Princess on the outside, throwing a challenge. Pot of Gold is by the rail. With the last 150 more to run, we have Harrod's Magic. Fiery Princess moves up on the outside to grab the lead. With the last 50 meters, it's going to be Fiery Princess close with Harrod's Magic. Pot of Gold, number 3 Security Force close with So Gorgeous for your Pentapecta.